G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I've got the Vivo stand V001C single monitor desk mount. So that's basically this monitor arm, which has a clamp on it for clamping it onto your desk, or alternatively mounting it through the desk. So I'm going to open this one up and have a look at it, see what it comes with. Now, if you are interested in getting one of these, make sure you check out the affiliate links down in the video description. So right on top, we have our instruction manual. Below that, the main vertical tube box and another box. So in this smaller box is the desk clamp, which is really sturdy. It's actually a lot bigger than I expected this clamp to be. So there's a lot of weight in this. It's quite thick steel, black powder coated, and quite a heavy duty bolting mechanism. It is adjustable here, so we can bring this up slightly higher if we needed to. But yeah, it's quite heavy, quite sturdy. There is a Vivo logo on the top of this piece. So when our arm is attached there, that Vivo text is going to be visible. In this box, we have all of the other components. So we've got our through the desk mounting piece and subsequent pieces that go with it. So that piece is the clamp that goes with our monitor. That goes on the pole to hold our monitor and allow it to swivel. A whole bunch of screws. The monitor mounting plate and the other piece for mounting it through the desk. So that is everything that comes in the box with the Vivo stand V001C single monitor desk mount. We've got here our two different desk mounting components, the monitor mount and then the vertical arm itself. We have here extra components for the top of the arm, rivets, screws, covers, and so on, as well as an Allen key. And over here we've got more screws and washers and spacers and all of that sort of thing. So quite comprehensive. So in addition to the Allen key that comes with this, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. So make sure you've got one of those handy. And then the first thing we're going to look at is our pole here. So according to the instructions, we want to attach our pole cap to the top of the pole, which is going to be this end here that has nothing in it. The bottom has these points for screwing it in. So we want the top, which has nothing on it. And we just want to put this cover on there. We should be able to just slide that in until it clips all the way in. Now I'm going to install this using the desk clamp and not the grommet base, so I'll leave those pieces out. Everything we need for the main installation is actually in this little bag. So what we want is the Allen screws and keys from here. There's 3 of those and the matching Allen key. And we want to find the bottom of this pole, which has those screw-in points that we talked about. And we're going to line that up with the holes in the top of our clamp here. So obviously we need to unscrew this to get it out of the way so we can do those up. And then what I'm going to do is just line these up here. So we'll put in the first one, line that up, and I'll just screw them in by hand initially. And then we want to use our Allen key and just go around and tighten those all up. So that's them all done up, and the clamp should actually now be able to be screwed onto a desk. Now I have these 5 3M adhesive pads, and basically they're designed to be stuck onto this so that it gives your desk some protection, both from these screws but also from the metal itself. So it'll raise this up a little bit and allow your desk some protection on the top side there. It suggests a kind of pentagon pattern for them, but essentially what we would want to do is stick them on kind of around here like so, evenly spaced out. Before I do that though, let's have a look at the top of the clamp here. So we have these 2 components here. So we have this cable clip, which is the plastic one, which basically will sit over the pole like so, and we can then run our cables through it. It'll clip them in there, which is a nice idea for cable management. You can slide that up and down to wherever is convenient on the pole. And then we have our bracket here for the monitor itself, which will go with this piece. So this piece will screw onto the back of a VSET compatible monitor, and then you can just slide that onto this bracket and screw it in on the top to lock it in when you are ready. So that should make it easier to install a monitor on here, because you can mount the arm and mount this on the back of your monitor, then just come along and slide that in there and screw it in. For the next step, we want to attach this bracket onto the arm. So to do that, we may need to loosen this Allen key here first. That's the bigger Allen key that came with this. Now to attach this bracket, we want to loosen off that Allen key so that we've got a little bit more room. And then from there, we should line that up and slot it over. Make sure you got it the right way around. So you want these two pointed out bits that jut out from this to be facing downwards on your pole. So they should be closest to the clamp here. Once we put that on, so we want to line that up roughly with how we want our desk to look. So if it's something like that, so we want it to be fairly straight, and we then want to tighten it up. And you may end up adjusting this once your monitor is on the arm and it's in place. Just be careful you don't loosen it off too much while there's a monitor on here. We're now ready to mount this, put a monitor on it. And that's where all of these different screws and spacers and things come in. They get used with this mounting plate to screw it onto the back of our monitor. And so this is what it looks like attached to the desk. So we go, that's what the Vivo stand V001C single monitor desk mount looks like installed on the desk using the clamp. We have our monitor mount here, which obviously will need to be screwed onto the back of a monitor. It will allow us to tilt side to side and up and down, while at the same time we have that adjustable height on the back. It does require that Allen key to adjust it, so you want to make sure not to lose that. But conveniently, the cable organizer does have this handy Allen key slots in it. So you can be sure those Allen keys are always somewhere convenient if you need to adjust the monitor. So that's it for me for now. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you're interested in getting one of these, make sure you head down to those affiliate links down in the description, and also hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.